Alright, you guys have time for a quick unboxing video. What is this? This is a router. Sometime along your woodworking experience, you'll find yourself where you need to do different coring from your standard 90-degree corner, and then you'll soon discover that you need a router for a variety of purposes. Then, maybe like me, you'll buy a hand router, then one that's very small, that does most of the things. But you'll find that you could do them better if you had a Plunge router. And that's exactly where this Bosch model comes in. The model is 1617EVSPK. Don't ask me to repeat that because I wouldn't be able to do that. But usually this is around 220, 240. Along the Black Friday timing, they reduced this substantially to 170 something, 160, actually 168, and I got a little $10 off coupon from Home Depot, so I decided it's a very good timing and very good purchase for me to do. So that's why I wanted to make a very quick unboxing of this. Not trying it professionally, but just to see what's inside. The package comes in the original package in my area of the northeastern United States. It comes in the standard package in FedEx delivery. So let's try to get it out. Good thing is that it comes together with its own suitcase, its own box. Let me try to get that out. It's kind of hefty package. It's impressive that it comes in its own suitcase. Very sturdy suitcase, and that is the organization of the suitcase itself. That's the router. Nice wooden handles, very sturdy. That's the Plunge adapter. What is that? That's literature, keys to take out the collet, registration, warranty materials. Also, this important keys is to adjust that if you decide to mount that on a bracket. It is a half-inch. It is a half-inch collet, but at the same time it comes with an adapter to 1/4, so you can use both. The organization of this suitcase is you put your wrenches here, half-inch organized here, and 1/4-inch here. Let's see first the Plunge adapter. I like this part because this is a very functional. Once you want to do a specific depth, you have to set this one up. It's adjustable here. You tighten that and you do a small adjustment here, a very minimal adjustment here, and this butts against this. So you can very quickly do that. You can very quickly make sure that your adjustments are precise and they stay precise. Now you can't really push that. You can really, like, accidentally dropping it, nothing happens. Like if you try to squeeze that, nothing happens unless you pull this lever. Once you pull this lever, you can squeeze that. It is not very easy to squeeze it. There is plenty of torsion or torque, plenty of resistance on the spring, so you need a very positive downward force, very determined and positive downward force. Leaving the lever midsection of now it goes from here to there, obviously, but if you leave the lever right here, let's say midsection, leave it, and then it stays locked. It is absolutely gorgeous and very functional type how they came up with this. Quick release here, quick release lever here, and then I like how those are made to quickly adjust to any adapters. You can do this pretty much on the fly with this one. So nice little dust protective boots there. Removable plate. By the looks of it, it looks like, and by the weight of it, it looks like cast aluminum. It doesn't look like magnesium, although it could be some sort of alloy, magnesium aluminum compound. But it is, just on itself, this is absolutely phenomenal. A very useful piece. I believe they sell this for slightly above 100, just the adapter, and it is phenomenal. It is totally useful. Alright, now let's see the router itself. Most important part of it, the base. The base is, you can attach it to a table, like here and here. You can also do a quick release. Let's first see the quick release. So, quick release lever here, and then actually I've never done this before, so bear with me a second. So, quick release here from where you are supposed to adjust that, I believe. Let me see if I can take this out. Okay, that's how it's worked. Quick release here, and then you push the lever out, and that's how it comes off. Again, aluminum body, very positive. You know, notches for it holding there. Let me see, it's not plugged in. Variable between, I believe, 8,000 and 25,000 RPMs, which is phenomenal for different types of wood. I don't really need a lot of RPMs for. I don't really need a lot of RPMs for for, let's say, softer wood like this. But I need a lower RPMs for hardwood if I want to make a very precise razor sharp cut. That's where this thing comes in handy. So, brushed motor, I believe. Seems to be a very powerful motor. So, let's see how she sounds. Nice tactile switch here, and again the RPM rocker here. So let's see. Nice. Screen here for, your regular blowback of dust and shavings and wood shavings. And that's it. Excellent product, and thanks for staying with me through the end of this video and looking at this unboxing. Any questions, leave me a comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye.